How to pay SARS using the Capitec app. Follow my instructions. If you need to pay your SARS taxes, the easiest way is directly through the Capitec mobile app. Here is the full process from start to finish. First, open the Capitec app and log in using your PIN or biometrics. On the home screen, tap Transact, then select Payments. Next, tap Add Beneficiary. In the search bar, type SARS and choose it from the public beneficiary list. This saves you from having to manually enter bank account details. Now, select the correct SARS account for your payment type. For example, income tax, VAT, or provisional tax. Enter your payment reference number exactly as provided. This is very important so ARS can match the payment to your account. Type in the amount you need to pay, then tap Next. Carefully review all the details before confirming. Tap Pay and approve the transaction with your remote PIN or fingerprint. You'll get a confirmation screen showing the payment was successful. Payments to SARS usually reflect within 1 to 2 business days, but it's best to keep your proof of payment for your records. That's how to pay SARS using the Capitec app quickly and securely. Thanks for watching.